Amazon seller support is wrong. They'll tell you it's impossible, but I'm going to be giving you the step-by-step method to actually change your brand name. And we can see here where Amazon changed generic to brand name. People are contacting Amazon constantly. Need my brand name changed. Can we do it? I need to change my brand name. And guess what Amazon says? We're going to scroll down. This is actually in Amazon's forms. This is Dougal. A brand name cannot be changed from generic to your brand name. Then he goes on and says, I am not an FBA expert. So is he like just making stuff up? So we're going to look, how do you change a brand name? This is somebody else. I want to change my brand name. They're telling you to you need to create a new listing or your reviews are going to disappear. You will need to create a new ASIN, right? So you can't. So they're pretty much saying you can't, okay? But guess what we did? Here it is. This is the client's listing that reached out to us, generic. And then it's now branded, right? So if you go to the listing on Amazon, we were able to get change their brand name to generic to branded in 28 days. Why is Amazon lying? This is it's absurd and it's a travesty, but I just need you to understand that Amazon does not know what they're talking about. And this is just actually a good lesson for life, okay? So it did take 28 days, okay? Now, hi team, this is our OG consultant, kindly change the brand name to generic. And then our backend team, he asked for the documentation to do it. And then he said, we did it and got super excited. And I'm excited too that we were able to do it in a record time of 28 days. Usually it can take a little bit depending on what documents you need. But I'm not going to tell you how to do it. Just kidding. I'm going to tell you to do it. We're going to go right over here. Now, if you want to get this done, obviously Amazon's saying it's not possible. So obviously they're going to be giving you some kickback. You need to be able to and willing to contact Amazon full time to get this done, right? Like every single day. And I'm not talking about just emailing them. You're going to need to call them, email, escalate, open new cases, filing batch files, contacting brand registry, escalating to the captive team. You're going to have to really go up the chain of command as quickly as humanly possible. And that's what we do, right? So you're most likely going to do that. Now you're going to need to just buy a GS1. If you don't have a GS1, go ahead and buy one, right? I believe it's $20 or $30. You just buy it, go to GS1, Google it, and then you're just going to print out a sticker and just slap it on your product of that GS1 barcode. A GS1 is a GS1 barcode, and then boom, it's got the brand name. The client put it right on for us, took a picture. We said, look, Amazon, and then we sent them the GS1 certificate that he just bought, right? Amazon might ask for a trademark registration certificate, right? That you actually own the brand name. They might ask for invoices. And they might ask if you have a website. And if you do have a website, let's say it's pocketstrainer.com, you need to show your product on your website and put that UPC code under it just so everything matches up, right? And then you get happy. Then Amazon's like, yo, you're good to go. We changed it for you. I thought it wasn't possible, Amazon. You're not going to tell them that. But that's it in a nutshell. I'm trying to just break it down as easy as humanly possible for you. So this is it. This is it. This is what you need to do to change from generic to branded or branded to a different brand. It's going to be pretty much the same process. Generic to branded and branded to branded are usually the exact same process. And as you can see, usually generic to branded is a little bit harder and supposedly impossible, but nothing's impossible. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content to show you that nothing's impossible on Amazon. And of course, if you need help increasing sales or just changing your brand name, we've got your back. Just contact EHP Consulting Group. We'll call Amazon every single day. We know what to say. We know what to do. We've done this. So we'll definitely help you. We also offer full account management. But we'll talk to Amazon for you. We'll fix all of your issues. We also have an advertising team, customer service, design, SEO. We'll manage your whole listing and make sure your listing and sales are increasing on a regular basis. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.